Welcome to FDC's Ecom Education Vlog. My name is Thomas McMahon and I'm the Business Development Manager here at ClickBank. Today I'm going to share with you the top 3 questions I get when I'm helping new clients and new entrepreneurs get spun up on ClickBank in the direct response space so that I can help you learn more so you can earn more. So first question I get almost all the time, even if I'm out on the road or if I'm here coming across my desk, is like, hey, is my product a good fit for ClickBank? Is my product a good fit for affiliate marketing? Is it is it going to convert well with your affiliates? And my answer is almost always yes. Like, yeah, the product's great, right? There's very few people out there who really make bad products. If you believe in something and you believe it can help people, it's going to be a good product. Like, I have no doubt. The issue is that it's not about the product. It's about the pain points your product is solving for the customer and how you're marketing that product. Okay? It could be a shed. Like, I don't care. Like, it's like, how do you sell a shed in direct response? You can. Get a good copywriter. What are those pain points for it? Okay, so it's about the copywriting. It's about the front end sales page that's going to drive that cold traffic to a conversion. The next one is usually, what commission do I need to pay an affiliate? That's a great question. Like, I wouldn't know how to answer that, 3 years ago before I kind of got on board here at ClickBank. So what commission do you need to pay? It's also the wrong question, okay? Because it's a big variable. It changes a lot. My short answer to this is get comfortable paying up to 100% of your margin. The reason for that is competition, quote unquote, is different for any niche, and even sub niches are different. So that guy might be paying $45, but your product might be so unique and address such a different pain point that this affiliate's going to email for both of you, and it's not going to compete with one another in his pipeline. Okay, but if you are a weight loss offer going up against a weight loss offer, both are talking to keto in very specific and similar ways, then yeah, you might need to bump your commission up 10% more to get your average cart value, or to get the average cart value to the affiliate higher, so the affiliates want to mail for you more versus this guy over here, right? So it's variable, but be comfortable going up to 100%. Next thing, and final question, is kind of like, do you know any affiliates who will test my offer? Hey, I've put all this money into copywriting, I've put all this money into, or time and energy into copywriting or whatever it might be, and building out this funnel. Do you know any affiliates who can mail for me, who can test it? Yeah, I know a lot of affiliates. Like, any big network or anyone working in a big network or who's been in this space for a while is going to know some big affiliates to test it. I don't want to intro a big affiliate or even a new affiliate to an offer that hasn't been tested already, though, right? When you give someone a referral to an offer, you should know, and if it's your offer, you should have a very high degree of confidence that if they've got a decent audience for it, and they can be the judge of that, right? But if they have a good audience for it, it's going to convert because you've done your part. You've done your testing, okay? So I don't want to burn any bridges for myself, and I certainly don't want to burn any bridges for you and making connection to an unproven offer that's not going to convert well, and then that affiliate's going to go off and he's never going to promote you again. Or that would suck. So how do you get affiliates to test? And how do you get traffic to test if you don't have a traffic source already? Network, get out there, go to traffic and conversion, go to affiliate summits, go to all these industry events, ones that ClickBank hosts and other platforms host, meet affiliates, meet vendors and offer owners with similar lists to yours or similar audiences to yours, right? And help them first so they'll help you later. Okay, there's going to be knowledge you have that you can impart or something that you can do for them that's going to unlock something, and they'll be happy to send for you and happy to test traffic for you. So those are the questions I get most commonly, but I would love to hear from you and what questions you have. So leave a comment below. Let me know what questions you have about affiliate marketing. It can be as beginner or as advanced as you want them to be. I'll cut my teeth on them. Yeah, it's been great. It's been real. It's been real great. I'm Thomas. Stay green.